Hey guys, welcome to editorial. In this video, we are going to learn the name of the colors in Afrikaans.
Rooi, red. Blauw, blue. Groen, green. Geel, yellow.
Oranje, orange.
Pers, purple. Bruin, brown. Grys, grey. Swart, black. Pink, pink. Wit, white.